Hey guys, my name is Abdul. In this video, I want to show you how to get rid of that lag during 4K footage playback while editing it at the same time. Sound interesting? Let's begin by bringing the footage onto the timeline. For the sake of this video, I have a 4K footage of a dancer breakdancing. I'm going to go to effects and search for an effect that is not GPU accelerated. And in order to show you, I'm going to search for an effect that will make this video even heavier to be played back at regular speed, so that I can show you a simple trick to actually get rid of that lag. Let's begin. I'm going to go to effect and search for neat video. I've got this plugin. I'm going to drag and drop it onto my video clip, and as you can see, the yellow line has now turned into red. Bring it to the point where you need the footage to start from. Press I on the keyboard to mark an in point. Take the playhead to the point where you want the footage to end. Press O and then go up to sequence and select render effects in to out. It will take a little while, but I want to show you when the video is being played on the red part, it will be choppy. And once it gets to the rendered area, it will play at regular speed, so that way you can actually see it for yourselves that this trick actually works. Let's play and watch the video, and let's see what happens when the playhead is on this red area. The video will play choppy, as you will notice now as it started it. Now let's move the playhead to the green area and hit the play button. As you can see, the video is playing at full resolution. Let's hit the play button. And there is no lag. Well, that's about a simple trick to get rid of that annoying lag. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me out a lot since I'm starting this channel anew, and your support will mean a lot to me. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.